In this video, we are going to look at the difference between arrive, arrive at, get to, and reach. So, when you go somewhere, well, when you have two places, this place and this place, you start at this place and you finish at this place. So, you leave this place and you go, and you arrive at this place. So arrive is the opposite of leave. And when you use arrive, I'll give you some examples. You can say, I have arrived, means I am here now. Or, what time will you arrive? Please call me when you arrive. And you can see that in each example, I did not give the location. And that's one thing that's special about arrive, is that you don't need to give the location. But you can. And if you do, you use arrive at. So, I have arrived at the hotel. What time do you usually arrive at work? We have arrived at our destination. So, arrive can have no place, but if you do give the place, use arrive at. And then we have get to and reach. Get to and reach are just two ways to say arrive at. When you use get to and reach, it's necessary to include the destination. You have to include the place. So you cannot say I have reached. You cannot say I have got to. And got is the past tense and past participle for get. So when we're talking about the past, we say got, not get. So I got to work at 7 o'clock this morning. Or I reached my office at 7 o'clock this morning. You can hear that when we use get to and reach, no at, because get to means arrive at. Reach means arrive at. So you don't need to say at. So, just to summarize this video, arrive. You can use arrive without the location. I have arrived. What time will you arrive? And if you give the location, use arrive at. And if you don't feel like saying arrive at, you could also use get to or reach, because they have the same meaning as arrive at.